Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today in this video we're taking a look at another aquarium filter, and this is the WP1000F from Sobo. Again with the packaging, very similar packaging. Almost all Sobo filters come in this blue, white and green colored packaging. You can see the model number and the specification about the filter. You can see this is a 15 watt aquarium filter, so fairly powerful pump. We bought this for a 3-foot tank. I'll show you the tank in a minute once we install the filter. So without any further delay, let's just take a look at what we get in the box and put it together and see how it looks in the tank. And this filter should be good enough for a tank size up to 100 liters. Okay, now let's just take a look at what we get in the box. So let me just open the box and get the filter, a piece of air tubing, and let's just measure the length of this air tube. So I've got my tape measure here, and as you can see the length of this air tube is about 54 centimeter, so about half a meter long, a little more than half a meter long. Decent quality air tube. There are two ends. This end will go outside your tank. Basically this, make sure that this end is outside water, and if it is outside water only then it will be able to take the air inside your tank. And this end will you connect to your filter. I will show you in a bit how you connect this to your filter. And in the box you basically don't get anything else. You get a small pamphlet and a small quality check sticker. So there is nothing left in the box. Let's keep this aside and take a look at the filter itself. So this is the filter. I have already checked this filter in the shop. I bought this from a local shop and I paid about 250 rupees. I bought this filter during lockdown, so I don't know if the price was more or less. So it comes with a 2-pin plug cable. The cable length is about 1 meter long, just a little more than 1 meter long, almost 1 meter long cable. The build quality of the filter is very good. At the back you can see comes with 3 sponge. The sponge are also decent quality, sticks well to the glass. I bought this filter for a 3-foot tank, and I'll show you in a minute how it looks in our tank. So if you ever need to clean your filter, basically take this part out like that. Now you get this part and this part. This part will also come out like that, and this is your media compartment, or basically a small box which keeps your media. In this case it comes with a sponge. However, you can add your own media like bio balls, ceramic rings, activated carbon, or polyester filling. Any type of media that you have, that you can add in this compartment. To clean your filter, basically if you ever see that your filter speed is reduced, or the filter is not working like it used to be when it was new, what you need to do is basically you need to make sure that the sponge is clean. So to take the sponge out, you can see that there are 2 clips, one here and one here. If you squeeze the filter, you can see that it is easy to take this part out. As you can see, it came out. Remove the sponge, squeeze this a couple of times inside your aquarium water, not inside your tank, but take some water out of your tank and then clean the sponge. Squeeze it a couple of times, and then once it is clean you can put this back together, or you can cut this sponge in half, add some of your own ceramic rings or any other filter media, then put this all together like that. And you can see there are 2 holes, and on the cap you will see that there are 2 clips. These 2 clips will fit in these 2 holes like that. And other thing about this filter is that at the bottom of the media compartment there are 2 more clips. That means if you buy 2 of these filter, you can attach 2 of these compartments together, and then you can save one of these in your home, and if one of these pumps go bad, you can replace it with the other. So if you buy 2 of these filters, you can extend the length of this filter by attaching another such media compartment on this clip, and then you can increase the length of your filter and increase the filtering capacity. It is a very powerful pump. The power head that comes with this filter is very powerful. As you can see, I've just shown you on the box, and let us take a look at it again if the camera focuses. As you can see, this is about 15 watt power head, very powerful. If you ever come across the problem that the pump is not spinning, the problem is there may be something stuck on this impeller. So I've told you before that if a fan is pushing air, it's called a propeller, and in this case it is pushing water, we will call it a impeller. So if you see that this is a stop, make sure that this part is clean, this shaft is clean, and there is no leaf or any debris stopping the pump from rotating. So to put this back together, simply just put this magnet part in and make sure that it is free to rotate. You will see a small magnet stopping the fan, which is normal, and then this part will connect to these grooves like that, and then you can simply move it like that, and this part will connect like that. So filter assembly is complete. Here is your air tube nozzle. So to put your air tube, basically remove this part. If you don't like bubbles in your tank, keep this part on, put the filter in your tank, and you will not get bubbles. However, the filter is still working, it is still sucking water from this slit. The water has to pass through the sponge and then thrown back into your tank, and when the water passes through this sponge, it gets filtered. So in this case we want some bubbles, so let me remove this nozzle and connect our air tube here like that. So our filter assembly is complete. Let us put this in our tank and see how it looks. But before that, let me just show you the length of the filter, because some people have tanks but they have no idea whether this filter is going to be too big for their tank or not in terms of their physical size. So as you can see, the length of this filter is about 8 inches long, just a little smaller than 8 inches long, about 7.5 inches long. The thickness of this filter is about 2.5 inches, and that's about it. So let's just put this tank in our filter in our tank and see how it looks, and then we will add a couple of plants in our tank, and then we'll see how the tank looks. So there we go, this was my video on the Sobo WP1000F. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.